Today I'm setting up TicketCord from scratch. I'm going to use a fresh Discord server in this video just so the flow is clean. But if you already have a server set up, you do not need to create a new one. You can just follow the same steps in your already existing server. The only thing that matters is that your server has a support channel, log channel, and transcript channel, and that a bot gets the correct permissions. So to start, for this demo, I'll quickly create the basic channels and categories. We have to begin with a category itself. We will call it tickets, and we will create another one called closed tickets. And then we will also have a channel called support. This will be at the top. And we can move these ones up here as well. We can also create a new channel called logs and another one called transcripts. If you already have channels like this in your server, you can just use those. Now we need to create the bot application. We will head over to Discord developer portal. If you don't know how to get here during the onboarding that we will go through right now, you have a button to get here. We'll create a new application. I will call it demo and we will agree to the terms. Once the bot is created, you'll head to the bot section. The first step and the most important step is turn off public bot. This makes sure that nobody else can invite a bot to their server. Now, this will not work with TicketCord because you are required to invite it through the dashboard. But just in case, make sure this is private. Now, you might get an error saying that private applications cannot have authorization link. To fix this, you will head over to installation. You will have to reset it, head over to installation, and the install link, just flip this to none. And now going back to the bot, we can quickly disable the public access. The only person that can invite a bot to the server is the owner itself, which is you. We will reset the bot token. This bot token you should not share with anyone. This is basically how anyone can log into your bot. So don't share this with anyone. We will copy the token and we'll head over to our website and we'll log in with Discord. Once logged in, you will be instantly greeted with the onboarding. Onboarding takes just a couple of minutes. The first app is giving you the bot token, heading back to developer portal, going to OAuth and resetting your client secret. Paste that in. And this is exactly where you can open the portal itself if you don't know how to get there. Validate and continue. That's exactly the bot we just created. Create bot. In this step, this is where you invite the bot to the server. This is how you should be inviting the bot to the server, not through Discord itself. Click add bot. A pop-up window will appear with Discord. Just click continue and authorize. We can see that the bot was detected. And in this step, this is the last step in onboarding. We have to assign some staff roles and some categories here. So for staff roles, you can create staff roles in the server. You most likely have them pre-configured already. I'm going to choose both roles as staff role. These are the roles that will get access to the tickets as they're created. Of course, you can override it later on, but this is the default. Categories for tickets, we will select tickets. Closed, we'll go to closed tickets. Transcripts, and logs channel. And that's basically it. If anything here is missing, or you get a warning saying that the bot does not have permission, you have to grant it, manage permissions, and then click refresh. If this doesn't work, try refreshing the whole site. Sometimes it might break, and then you should be able to select it. Click finish setup, and that's basically it. Go to the dashboard. If you head back to the Discord side right now, we can type /embed. Now it might happen that you do not see the /embed command here, which is completely normal. The easiest fix is just refreshing Discord itself, or if you're using the application, close the application fully, Alt F4 or Command Q if on macOS, and open it again. This way it will show the slash commands. We can select the channel, but if you don't select the channel, it will just send it to where you're executing it. And we can see right here, this is the default embed that was created when we were installing the bot through onboarding. We can obviously go to the settings, scroll down into the embeds, and right here you can modify the whole embed itself completely to your liking as you wish. And we also support components v2 in case you're interested into that. We can head back to Discord and we can create ticket. The ticket was created and we can see we're also pinged. And if you check right here, the permissions granted are both staff roles, which are admin and support. Now that we have the ticket open, we can just type, for example, test. You can go back to the dashboard. And if you go into the ticket right here, we can see the ticket is visible. It is exactly identical. The cool thing is you can actually reply directly from the dashboard. You do not need Discord open. If you're, for example, located in areas where you don't want to log into Discord, or you simply are blocked from opening Discord, you can use our site directly. And then we can say, for example, hello, click send. And this will basically send the message as you, but it will send it through the app itself. Now we can go back to the server settings and we can go back to automation. Right here we can set auto close tickets, which does require basic plus plan. If you want to auto close tickets that are inactive for X number of days, we can set up notifications, for example, DM on close, and sure, we can include transcript to the user. So you can control if you want to send the transcript to the user or not. We can instant close. This will skip the confirmation. Make sure that only staff can close the tickets. Exclusive claim mode will basically make sure that when you claim the ticket, only the person that claimed it and supervisor roles can see into the ticket. This is very good if you have different departments like billing, support, etc. For example, if someone from billing team claims it, they will be able to see it, and the supervisors such as admins that are put in here. We can also enable auto delete on close, and you can control if you want to send a transcript or not. Once we save that and we go back to the server, we can close the ticket. We can see we got DM'd and the auto deletion is enabled as per the settings. The channel is gone. We can see the logs, the ticket got closed, and in the transcripts, we can see the transcript itself that you can download, who opened it, when it was opened, and similar. If you go to our DMs, we got the same identical thing in our DMs because we made sure that the user was DM'd on close, and we included the transcript as well. That's basically the full bare bones setup. In the next video, we can cover more of the AI features. AI features got a lot of updates since the last time we made AI knowledge base tutorial. It got a lot of updates, a lot of new features as well, and the overall quality of the AI answers is just amazing right now. So if you wish to try it out, we currently do have trial. You can go to billing and you're given 7-day trial to test everything out. And we also have a discount code of 30% off. You can join our Discord server, which is right here. People love getting support through Discord instead of email. Thank you for watching.